Welcome to Research Rocks. I have one SanDisk Creator Pro portable SSD for 1 TB, and I seen first time to transfer data fraction of second. No matter you have 1 GB to 100 GB, you can transfer the data some seconds only. As a demonstration point of view, I will show you 1 GB data, 10 GB data, and greater than 20 GB data, how much time we need to spend here using SanDisk Creator portable SSD for 1 TB. I just simply connect this hard drive to my laptop screen. Same hard drive most of time I use in my iPhone as well. So I connected here, open here. So here is my SanDisk hard drive. So entire space of this hard drive is a 1 TB. So entire is empty. I will show you some of the data transferring perspective. So here is the folder. The size of the folder is 9.32 GB. So this is my MacBook, and we can just simply copy this data and here as a randomly put it in hard drive. So look at this here, the data transferring speed. So 4 GB is completed, 5 GB is completed, and 7, 8, 9, and done. Within 2-3 seconds, 10 GB data is a transfer to my MacBook to this external hard drive. Again, one more sample. Look at this here. This is the 18 GB data we can transfer from laptop to external hard drive. As a genuine result perspective, I show it to you. I start the timer as well, how many seconds we are spending here. I just simply copy this 18 GB, go back here in this external hard drive, and if I click here the paste, so same time I click this time as well. So look at this here, 5 GB is completed, 6 seconds. How much time we are spending here, you can see properly. 10 GB is completed, 12 GB is completed, using the timer you can see. And for most of time in this folder, mostly large size of videos. So look at this here, less than a minute we are transferring the 18 GB data from my MacBook to this tiny external hard drive. It's really impressive. Now same thing, I copy the same data from external hard drive to copy on my Mac, and let's see how much time we are spending here. So I just simply say here reset and copy here from the data to the hard drive, and I paste this data in the download folder. So start. Let's see how much time we are spending to change hard drive to computer. And the same thing you should apply like Windows laptop as well and other as well. Let's see the processor. If you have processor like a M5, so this speed is greater than faster as we are receiving. Look at this here, 70, less than 28 seconds we are transferring the data from hard drive to MacBook. But if you transfer MacBook to hard drive, you are spending double time. So less than 27 seconds we are spending here to transfer the big amount of data this tiny external hard drive. So this is the amazing product I saw ever. Personally, I use this one for my iPhone as well, because of here the C-type cable is available. I just simply connect here, and this is the magnetic one, very easily connect like this. As my personal opinion, this is the amazing product. If you are content creator or you always transfer the data big volume for one device to another device, this is the one of the best SSD I saw ever. And price is also similar, kind of same as you spending other devices. I already added link in video description. You should click and order today. If you have any question related on this SSD, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.